What's up guys, it's official. After years of development and months of rumors, Huawei's own operating system Harmony OS officially announced by Huawei at their developer conference. And yes, it's gonna be called as Harmony OS, not Oak OS or Arc OS. And according to CEO Richard Yu, it's not gonna be competitor of Android and iOS. It's a completely different thing. It's based on microkernel system, and according to CEO himself, it's actually a distributed OS that delivers a smooth experience across all devices, and because of microkernel based system, it can be adapted to various different devices very easily, and it also has a secure architecture. It's also beneficial for developers because once they develop apps for this OS, then they are able to deploy the same application to different range of devices very easily. And also Huawei says that all the Android apps will be compatible to this operating system. Huawei also says that Harmony OS is a lightweight, compact operating system with powerful functionality, and it's not only made for smartphone, but it can also work in smart speakers, smart displays, smartwatches, routers, TVs, laptops, and even cars. So this is actually a very different thing, and it's gonna be very powerful as well. And you know, the most interesting part of the story is that it is an open source OS just like Android. That means any smartphone manufacturer can able to use this OS without any licensing fees or anything like that from Huawei. So just imagine if other Chinese manufacturers start releasing their phones with this Harmony OS, then where will be Google with its Android operating system? Even smartphone manufacturer under BBK includes Oppo, Vivo, and OnePlus has already started testing this OS on their phones, and knowing that Xiaomi had also tested this OS in their phones recently. Now there were top 4 features mentioned about this Harmony OS at the launch. So first one is seamless experience across all the devices. So because Harmony OS is developed for so many different devices, it's gonna be very seamlessly connected. Next up is smoothness. So we have heard in the past that Harmony OS is gonna be 60% faster than Android, and even Huawei's founder said that their OS is actually be faster than Android and iOS, and even Apple's Mac OS. So the reason is Harmony OS has something called deterministic latency engine, which is going to set the execution for tasks as priority, and it will set time limits in advance. It's also mentioned that microkernel can boost performance up to 5 times than the Linux and Unix system. Next one, we have security. So because of microkernel architecture, this is going to be very much secure. The microkernel is designed to simplify the kernel functions, and it's going to be implement as many system services as possible. And last but not the least, Harmony OS has unified system. That means once developers develop apps for this OS, then they flexibly deploy them across a wide range of devices, including smart speakers, automobiles, laptops, smartwatches, tablets, and of course smartphones. Huawei hasn't yet confirmed plans to release their Harmony OS powered smartphone, but according to rumors, Mate 30 Lite could actually be the first device to come with this operating system. So that's all in this video. Do consider subscribing for more Huawei and Harmony OS news, and yeah, see you soon.